Hi friends, welcome to Rianza Bakes. Today I have come with a healthy and delicious coconut cake made with whole wheat flour and without butter or oil. Take 120 grams of whole wheat flour or atta. Into that add 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well, sift 4 to 5 times or more for the cake to be soft. Add a pinch of salt to 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat well. Add 150 grams of powdered sugar. Here I have taken unrefined sugar. Add and beat till the egg turns fluffy. The color changes to light yellow, creamish yellow. And into this we'll add 150 ml of whipping cream. Here I have taken Amul whipping cream. Beat at speed 1 till the cream is incorporated. Now into this we'll add the sifted flour little by little and fold it in gently. If you like the video, please don't forget to press the like button, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you. Add the flour 2 to 3 times and fold in. Add 25 grams of desiccated coconut and mix it in. Fresh coconut can also be used. Now we'll transfer this into a prepared cake tin. Here I have taken a 7.5 inch cake tin, greased and lined with parchment paper. We'll transfer the cake batter into the pan. Run a chopstick or skewer to remove any air bubbles. And we'll sprinkle some desiccated coconut on top and bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for around 35 to 40 minutes. Till the cake is done, a toothpick inserted will come out clean. So now our cake is beautifully baked. Please do try the recipe. It is so healthy and delicious. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.